Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. We recently took a trip from Georgia to North Carolina to go to Harrahs Cherokee Resort, and this was a beautiful drive up. We love seeing the mountain ranges on the way, so enjoy our trip. When we usually get there, we go to Roost Chris Steakhouse, which is a really nice restaurant. We have a phenomenal dinner every time we're there. It was really cool. They had this wall art that looked like bacon, which was kind of funny. But the resort itself is absolutely beautiful. It has a couple of pools. It has a river that runs through it, as well as the casino. So we enjoy each and every day that we get to spend up there. We typically take a drive to the park area and go up the mountain range, and it was really cloudy that day, so we got to see a lot of elk in the field grazing, which was so peaceful. And then when we got to the top of the mountain, it was raining and the clouds were really low, so it kind of felt like you were in the clouds, which was pretty magical. But yeah, enjoy our adventure. Castiel got to spend some money at the arcade inside the hotel, and he was so excited. Tickets, dude. There you go. Thank you guys for joining us. Make sure to like and subscribe.